welcome to Dave's Model Workshop. I've got something very exciting to share with you today. I'm announcing the Mod Squad. So for a while I've had people contact me saying, look, how can I support Dave's Model Workshop? I'd like to give you donations, and I've never felt quite comfortable with that. It's not something I just want to receive as a feel-good thing. I want to give a bit of value back. So the Mod Squad is the answer. What is the Mod Squad? I'm glad you asked. The Mod Squad stands for Members Only Discounts, and it's a way for me to give value back to you for your support. So basically, yeah, members only discounts. The way it works, I'm going to run it through Patreon. So a lot of people already use Patreon. A lot of YouTubers use Patreon to receive support, and it helps them with ongoing costs. And look, I'd love that. That sounds great. I think, you know, if you guys feel like I give you some value every week with my videos, I'd love your support, but I don't want it just out of the goodness of your heart. So I thought I'll give you some value back and actually make this a two-way street. So for $3 a month, you get 10% off online purchases at a range of hobby retailers. There'll be a code that you receive that you can enter on checkout at selected retailers, and that's my way of giving value back to you for your support. Currently, the two retailers that I've been able to negotiate this with are hobbyworld-usa in the States, massively well respected within the industry, everyone who talks about them raves about them, and in the UK, Model Hobbies. Look, if your local retailer isn't on that list, have a chat to them, contact them, and please tell them that you think that they should be part of this scheme, because the more of us who talk to them, the more of you guys who contact them and say, get into it, then the more chance we have of them actually doing it. And let me know, and I'll tell them to, and negotiate with them. Power to the people, comrades. There is a second layer of support for the Mod Squad, which is the Mod Squad Gold. This is $25 a month, and for your $25 a month you get an on-call modelling tutor. So you can message me whenever you want with modelling questions, and I'll offer ongoing feedback and advice and suggestions. If you want, you can also have a one-off 60-minute one-on-one Skype session with me to ask questions about anything. And once we hit a goal of $450 a month in subscribers, I'll also start a video series where I start interviewing gold supporters. So I'm not sure many people will take this up, but it's there. So I hope you think it's valuable. I think if you've ever wanted to help out with the costs of running Dave's Model Workshop on, hosting costs and equipment costs and video and audio editing software costs, this would be a great way for you to show that support. But more importantly, it's a two-way street. So it's not just me taking money. I see you guys as my community, and I want to give something back to you, and that's a solid, tangible value to you. I hope you like it. Let's get mates rates with Dave. Cheesy. If you want to read more, or if you want to join, then please visit my Patreon page. I'll put a link up here, or you can just visit my blog, and up the top in the navigation bar you'll see the Mod Squad. Check it out. All the details are there. It's easy and secure. Thanks for your time, guys. I hope you think about this, and fingers crossed we'll make this huge together. Cheers.